gosh, my whole body. You know what? I feel like I've reached the age where if I sleep with the wrong pillow, it feels as if I've fallen out of a 12th story window. All right, hi guys. Okay, so this is kind of funny because I am about to show you the haul that from the last time I posted a Dollar Tree haul, I said completely disappeared. I found it. I was gonna blame it on the ghost. I was actually gonna have the ghost come on here and share this haul, but I wasn't sure how that was gonna go over. The ghost and I don't like each other, but you know, thumbs up if for whatever reason you need the ghost in your life and you need it to show you some things from Dollar Tree. So funny thing is, one of you actually left me a comment saying that if I'm anything like you, I probably left it in my car. Bingo, that is exactly where I found it. But the craziest part is I brought it inside. I know because I set it on the kitchen table and I rummaged through it because there were other things that I bought in this haul that you're not actually gonna see that I used for like packing and cleaning essentials. And so I knew I brought it inside. So how it made its way back to the car is still the mystery of this whole situation. If you're new to my channel, you don't know what I'm talking about. I do Dollar Tree hauls Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays, and so I have like a very strict schedule, and this stuff I'm about to show you just disappeared. Anyway, I'm not gonna make this a long one. There are some really exciting videos that are gonna come out on my channel. I know that I think this last week, there weren't that many videos that typically go up on my channel. Did my voice just crack there? But I know you guys are gonna love some of this stuff, so I'm very excited to share it with you. But let's go ahead and dive in. Like I said, it is a small haul, but I also am really excited because it's just such a jackpot, and that's exactly why I love Dollar Tree, because you just never know what you're gonna find. I did pick up another one of these Comfort Colors tees. I'm always on the lookout for these now that I'm obsessed with getting t-shirts at Dollar Tree for $1. You can see the label says Comfort Colors, which is a really good t-shirt brand. I also love this monochromatic thing that they do. Whatever color the shirt is the color of the tag. I just love those little details, and I got a gray in a medium. I don't have a t-shirt in this color. I love being dressed for like workout and, you know, stuff like that, especially since I'm gonna get back into like my jogging routine. So love. I can't speak highly enough about their t-shirts. This is pretty random, but I feel like I've never seen a cutting board. I mean, no. We've seen tons of cutting boards at Dollar Tree. I just don't know that they've put one out like this, but maybe they have. They probably have, but for whatever reason, I just found that the size of it was new. Does that make sense? Dishwasher safe, wash before use, double-sided, usage for meats and vegetables. So meats on one side, vegetables on the other, durable surface. So I really liked that find. Okay, what do I show you next? Okay, so in that last Dollar Tree haul, I told you guys about how I found like lemon stuff. This is what I was talking about. But first, look at these cute little decor pieces with the galvanized wood. Keep life simple, that's really cute. Bless our home. Isn't that adorable? Of course, you can completely DIY this however you'd like. You could even just bend this back and keep like this part. Very chic, very farmhouse if you don't want the image. This one, wash, dry, fold, repeat. I think that's pretty cute. It's really rare to see laundry style decor at Dollar Tree. They've been kind of trickling in the last quarter of 2019 and this year. And I hope you guys are sitting for this one. What? When life gives you lemons, make something sweet. That's really cute. It's a twist. You know, they didn't do that typical when life gives you lemons, make lemonade, or however that saying goes. Drop it in the comments if I got it wrong and tell me what it is. But the print is fantastic. Love, obsessed, so cute. I need more lemon stuff from Dollar Tree, definitely. You guys, I have redecorated my kitchen. I started living on my own when I was 18, and I can't tell you how many different styles I have gone through, because I've talked about this all my struggles of like what my style is, what it isn't, blah, blah, blah. And I went through a lemon phase a long time ago, way before I was posting YouTube videos. And then I went through like a rooster country, primitive country phase. Yeah, and just so many different styles, but I keep wanting to go back to the lemons thing, is I guess the whole point of this story. Okay, the last couple of things, but there's a lot of them, and this is the jackpot. I absolutely love to find anything that's like books or recipes at Dollar Tree, and this one sticks out and stands out the most to me because of how many different styles there are, and some of them are actually backwards, I think, or no, well, yeah, some of them. But let me just go ahead and show you guys what we're working with here. Candy grams, and it is an entire book on how to send candy grams. Have you ever seen those on Pinterest where you use them to like, is it like make a pun kind of thing? Or not a pun, but you know, just, do you get what I'm saying? Do y'all feel me? Stuff like this. Have you ever seen that on Pinterest? And it just kind of shows you how to make these fun little candy grams that you can send as little gifts to people. So it's also, it's like food, but also DIY as well. And I love the spiral. And what I also love is that you can obviously tell these are all in the same like collection, and each spiral is a different color. So I love that because it gives you that extra identifier, you know, when grabbing. This one is all about more dump and bake cakes. So I'm all about this. Apparently, it's just dump and bake, whatever that means. But you can see this is from the cover. Oh my gosh, I really want to try a bunch of these. But isn't this just absolutely fantastic for $1? Love. You get Candy Creations, shows you how to make all kinds of fun little things straight up out of candy. Look at those. Oh, those are so cute. Coral critters. Oh my gosh, if you are having an under the sea theme this summer, you need to get you this book. This one is Cereal Treats. Are you guys just dying over this or what? I mean, you kind of get the gist. I think I'm gonna go on my Instagram the day that I'm releasing this video, and I'm gonna do up close shots of these just so that you guys can take some extra time to just see. This one is 4-to-1. Odds are you can cook 4 ingredients to 1 great dish. So this is all about just 4 ingredients and making a great meal. So that's really interesting. Kind of reminds me of Rachel Ray a little bit. This one is Give Me S'more. So obviously an entire book of just s'mores recipes. Oh, I got doubles of the Candy Creations. Actually, some of them do have the same color spiral. I just realized that. My bad. So scratch that. Grins and Giggles. Isn't that cute? Those look like Nutter Butters. Oh my gosh, look at that. How, this is just, what a fantastic find. And this one is Brood Awakenings, which is hilarious, but it's, oh, there we go. Little coffee one. What? Yeah, so hopefully I would have dropped my Instagram account for you guys if you don't follow me there. I don't overpost, by the way. I actually sometimes I rarely post, and then sometimes I'll post back to back. And I like to think I have some crazy highlights. One time I did this whole ballet thing, which I need to do another. Who needs me to do more ballet poses? But anyway, I'm getting off topic. Here is this one, Freezer Jams and Refrigerator Pickles. What? Is that not? How in the world did this come to Dollar Tree? This has me shook. And I'm telling you, it's like, what am I gonna find next week? I don't know. It's why I'm obsessed with this store. There's no store like it, in my opinion. I feel like I'm a Goonie going into, you know, the cave, and I don't know what kind of treasure I'm gonna come out with. What a horrible analogy, but you guys know I'm all about Goonies and 80s, but anyways, there you have it. So that is it. That's the small haul. I'm sure this still turned into a 15-minute video, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I can't wait to release some really exciting upcoming videos. My vlogs, I keep saying this, but my vlogs are going to ramp back up. I'm going to be editing some more tonight and getting those out for you guys. Thank you for being so patient. I think my channel kind of went a little low there on content being put out, but we're gonna get back into our normal routine. So please give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.